Hi, I'm MomDas and I welcome you all to MomDas Life Handmade. Today I'm participating in a collab called Soups and Stews Comfort Foods for Fall 2018, being hosted by Dennise Jordan from This and That with Dennise Jordan and Tashi from Simply Tashi and Micky from Live, Laugh, Love and Pray. Today is a day where I'm going to create a stew for you and it is very delicious and simple, and I'm sure you will enjoy it just the way I do. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing by hitting the red subscribe button given below the video or hitting the icon given in the bottom right corner of the video, and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of my videos, any of the fun. I love to do a lot of DIY, decor, soup, budget crafts, some tours, travels and recipes. So do consider subscribing and let's make this special stew for fall. This stew is very special to me as it is made up of childhood memories. While growing up, every week when my parents used to bring in weekly vegetables and fish and other things, the house used to get very busy. And my mother would just toss in everything and put it to cook, and soon the house would fill up with lovely aroma. Groceries put away, everybody freshened up, and hot and delicious stew is ready to serve. I still cook this recipe for my family and everybody just love it. I just cut everything into round slices: the potatoes, the onions, the carrots, the beetroots, the tomatoes, and a bit of ginger, a bit of garlic, whole green chillies, maybe some peas. Just add enough water and fresh water fish. Just any fresh water or river fish will do. Add salt to taste and a little turmeric. Put on the fire, bring everything to a quick boil and then just simmer down till the potatoes are all cooked. Fish cooks real fast and potatoes are the only things that cannot be eaten raw in this recipe. Once done, serve with chopped coriander leaves and just enjoy. Did anyone notice there is no oil in the recipe? Well, if you feel like, you may drizzle some olive oil or mustard oil in the end, but it is delicious anyway. I'm prejudiced. I love my fish with rice. You will love it anyway. So fresh, so simple, so authentic flavor of each ingredient. It is just pure bliss. I did try writing down the recipe for you in the description box below. Do like, comment and share the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video.